Yes.
and there is a cone like this. This total height is given you how much?
15.5.
15.5 centimeter, right? And this base radius is,
3.5.
this is 3.5. So this will also 3.5. So this height of the cone will be 15.5 minus 3.5 becomes 12 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter, this is 12.5. So this is how much? This CSA will be how? Length is equal to h square plus r square. So 12 square plus 3.5 3.5 whole square root over root over. So 144 plus 12.25 root over how much? 156.25 root over. So L is equal to how much? L is equal to root over of root over 156.25 12.5. So slant height is 12.5. So now what you have to find? What you have to find?
Total surface and volume of tectile.
Total surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. So it is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. You have taken pi r as a common, it becomes L plus R. So it is 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 12.5 plus 3.5. It is 0.5. You get 11 into 16, right? Huh? So you get 176 centimeters square. What is your answer? Total surface area of toy is how much? 176 centimeters square.
214.5 centimeters square.
Hmm. To make pi की value what given?
22.
Huh?
22.7. So give your answer correct to one decimal place.
तो इसमें decimal place ही नहीं आ रहा ना, प्रॉब्लम तो ये है. What you are saying?
A toy in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere of same radius. If the total height of toy
Mounted on?
hemisphere, if the total height is 15.5 centimeter, find total surface area and volume of toy.
Shit. This is 2. ये हमने पाई r कॉमन लिया ना, तो यहाँ पे 2r होगा. Oh, silly mistake. This is 2r. When it is 2r, so it becomes plus 2 into 3.5. So it is not like this. It will be 11 into, it is 7. 3.5 into 2 becomes 7. 7 plus 12.5 becomes 19.5. Right? So 19.5 214 point, ये आ गया 214.5 centimeter square. You get this? So this is this two we have to take, and because of that the whole calculation gone. Oh one volume. Now what is the volume? And volume of toy is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So it is 1 upon 3 into pi r square. So it is again h plus 2r. Right? So it is how much now? 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. It becomes 3.5 into 3.5 into 19.5. Right? इसको किया you get 0.5, इसको किया 6.5. Right? Now this is 11 11 into 3.5 into 6.5 centimeter cube. So how much you are getting there? That is 11 into 3.5 into 6.5, 250.25. What is your answer?
243.8.
हाँ?
So इसमें आपने हाइट ली थी
हाँ?
h plus 2r.
अच्छा. हे भगवान. This here is we are taking height. There we are taking L. So 12 plus 7 becomes 19 here. This is 12 plus 2 into 3.5. So 19. Now this 3 will not go. Right? 7. So it is how much? 11 into 3.5 into 19 upon 3 centimeter cube. So volume of toy is equal to 11 into 3.5 into 19 divided by 3, 243.8. Huh?
Yes.
This is coming how much? 731. This is 731.5 divided by 3, and you get 243.833 and number of times. So 243.83 centimeter cube. This is the volume of toy we have. Again, both the times we have taken mistake. Here we should write 2. Here we should take H, not L. So I taken that same value. That's why it's this. Yes. What next you have? This was 10. Should I have?
Yes.
What is 8? What is question number 8?
Form a solid wooden
Question number 8. Solid wooden bolo.
of height 28 centimeter.
What is solid wooden?
Cylindrical. Cylinders.
Solid cylindrical wooden block, right?
Yes.
Okay, solid cylindrical wooden block.
Of
So
height
it is
28 centimeter.
एक मिनट. This is solid cylindrical wooden block, right? This is what it is saying. This is
Height of 28 centimeter.
huh?
Height of 28 centimeter.
Height is 28 centimeter.
And the
Solid,
diameter.
एक मिनट. Solid cylindrical block. Now radius is
Diameter is 6 centimeter.
diameter is equal to 6 centimeter. So radius is 3 centimeter. What happens?
Two conical cavities are hollowed out.
Two conical cavities are hollowed out, right? From both the ends.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the height of cone?
6 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter.
है?
Two
अच्छा.
conical.
टू कॉनिकल ना, तो एक की हाइट कितनी है?
6.
Like this, right? There. So
Sir,
this is
diameter is given है conical.
diameter तो 6 होगा ना?
The diameter of the cone are
कितना?
6 centimeter and 10.5
10.5 what?
centimeter.
यार we have a wooden block of height 28 and radius 3. अब इसमें से 2 कोनिकल ब्लॉक निकालेंगे तो कोनिकल ब्लॉक निकालेंगे तो हम ऐसे कैसे निकालेंगे ना, या तो इसकी हाइट 10.5 रेडियस तो सेम होगा ना. You read the question.
The diameter of the cone are also of 6 centimeter and height 10.5.
10.5 सेंटीमीटर हाइट हो गई एक की. आगे बोलो फिर. ईच
Yes.
like this. So this is 10.5, this is 10.5 centimeter.
Yes.
This is also centimeter and this is radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, so what do you have to find?
Volume.
Huh?
Volume of remaining solid.
Volume of.
Remaining solid.
Okay, so volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of cone. So volume of cylinder is pi r square h minus 2 into 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. Pi r square h. So radius both are having same. What is the value of pi?
This
What is the value of pi is given?
22/7.
Pi capital R square common, it becomes सभी कुछ तो common है. No, height is differing. It is h dash. So it is h minus 2/3 into 10.5. 3 times 3, 5. Right? It is 7. And this is what happens?
मैं मामा के पास हूँ अंदर.
H is equal to 22 upon 7 into यार into 3.3 का whole square bracket H is 28 minus 7, right? 22 upon 7 into 9 into 21. It becomes how much? You wait. Give it to me. 22 into 9 into 21. It is how much? 4158 divided by 7 centimeter cube divided by 7. How much is you are getting? 594 centimeter cube. You get this. वैसे भी 7 times 3 times 7 becomes 21. and you get 27. 27 into 28. So you can get like this also. So this can be solved like this also, that 22 into 27. So we can write 54, 54, 495. 594 centimeters square. We can do like that also. We can do like this. This is what we have. Both the cones are having same height. So that's why I put here 2 into volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square. It is having h dash. So that's why we done like that. Right? This was question number 8. What is question number? Huh?
6.
8. Come to 6. What is question number 6?
A cubical box of size 7.
Question number
6.
6. It is saying a cubical box. Huh?
Side of 7 centimeter.
Cubical. Like this. This is cubical box, side 7 centimeter. Right? So what you do? What is
Surmounted by hemisphere.
surmounted by a hemisphere? This is like this. Right? And it will be like this. So it's cubical, right? So maximum height will be, this is 7, so this is 3.5 centimeter, and this is also 3.5. This will also 3.5, and this will also 3.5. Right.
What is the greatest diameter that the hemisphere can have?
So greatest diameter. Greatest diameter. Greatest diameter. Hemisphere. Can have is equal to side of cube that is of 7 centimeter. Right. This is first answer. Now what is second?
Find the surface area of solid.
So it will be, it is like this. Right? It is like this, surmounted. So what you are saying? What we have to find?
Surface area of solid.
So surface area of solid is equal to 5 into a square plus 2 pi r square plus minus a square minus
This is 6.
pi r square. No, 6 होते हैं ना. A cube has 6 surfaces, but this sixth surface is covered with hemisphere that we are finding from here. Ki how much this leftover areas are there? A square minus pi r square. This is we have. So how much you get? That is 5 into 7 square plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 plus 7 square minus 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, right? So this is how much? 5 into 49 plus 7, 308, plus this is 49 minus 7 and 7 cancel, 150. Oh, sorry. Hemisphere, na? Oh, wait. I put the wrong values. There are 5 into side is 7 ka whole square plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Radius is 3.5 plus 7 square plus 7 square minus 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, right? So now we have 5 into 49 plus 7 is 0.5, 1, right? So 22 into 3.5 plus 49 minus 0.5, 11 into 3.5. So it will be 38.5. 38.5. You get this?
Yes.
Now, what will be?
245.
5 times 9 times 5 becomes 45. 4,
22.
245 plus this is how much? 70 and 70. So 77. 77 plus 49 minus 49 minus 38.5, 8, 5, 0, 10.5.
Yes.
So it is how much? 0.5 332.5 centimeter square. What it is?
Yes.
332
0.5 centimeters.
centimeter, 332.5 centimeter square. This is area of surface area of solid. Now what? Surface area of solid. Hmm? What else we have to find?
Yes, sir.
This much. This is 6.
Yes.
Huh? Okay then.